Hello, my friends. Ed Cross here. I know you have the will to bring your restoration business to the next level, but the will alone is not enough, especially as tensions begin to rise in the property claims ecosystem. You are cordially invited to attend the full-day Restoration CrossCheck Strategic Strikes Bootcamp on September 3rd in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. The bootcamp is a rigorous program taught by restoration and insurance industry professionals. It's designed to give you a clear pathway to solutions to many of the most common problems facing restorers today. What is Restoration CrossCheck?
Restoration CrossCheck is an elite squadron of restoration masters, fresh from the field with recent experience in the muck, running successful restoration companies.
Unfortunately, it's now commonplace for adjusters to ignore restorers altogether. This invites aggression that can put people on edge. Add to that the fact that adjusters seem more and more comfortable bad-mouthing restorers, and you have a combination that can turn a property claim into a powder keg. The savvy restorer is able to finesse these situations to accelerate collections without delaying them unnecessarily. The most successful restoration companies have extensive training on how to engage with adjusters. They have specific responses formulated to overcome the most common objections they receive from adjusters.
Your drill instructors have proven track records working in the trenches, solving the problems you face every day. Insurance master Jeff Taxier, the Sultan of Strategy Mark Pasculi, the Queen of Client Control Norma Valley, and me, your drill instructor. I am hard, I am mean, you will not like me, but I will whip your sorry fanny into shape so you get paid.
But even if you have great communication skills, it still can be very difficult to make a profit if you're not charging prices that take your actual labor costs and equipment and material costs into account. You can and should customize your pricing, and Restoration CrossCheck clients do it successfully because they have strong supporting documentation. They aren't factoring their prices by some random percentage. Please don't invite attack from adjusters on grounds that your pricing is arbitrary. That does not help the reputation of the restoration industry. We need to return to a free market where restorers can charge what they want and the market determines the value. Insurance companies should not speak for restorers. Pricing platforms should not speak for restorers. In addition to having good relations with adjusters and defensible pricing, we also need to maintain good client control. Adjusters and restorers compete for the affection of the policyholder. The loser in that competition faces a 2-against-1 battle. So we need to learn to control the client with respectful interactions and secure our right to payment with advanced collection strategies. Restoration CrossCheck will be addressing all of these issues and more in our full-day bootcamp. You can learn more at restorationcrosscheck.com/bootcamp.
You say you have the will to bring your restoration business to the next level, but do you have the power? You think you've got what it takes to elevate your restoration business? Well, do you, Buttercup? This full-day gauntlet is not for little boys. If you can toe the line, you'll earn 6 IICRC continuing education credits.
The most powerful takeaway would be hard to define because all of it was such great information. We came specifically for the price list and the adjuster negotiations, so I would say that that's what we were looking for, but everything else that came with it was incredibly powerful, so it was just excellent all the way around.
The Experience Convention has some very good education sessions, and we recommend that everybody attend. But convention registration is not required to attend the Restoration CrossCheck Bootcamp. All you have to do is register for the Expo Hall, which you can do for free using the Restoration CrossCheck VIP code. On the registration page, enter RCCVIP. Click Attendee and Continue and select Expo Hall only.
If you haven't registered for the convention, don't be a maggot! Enlist now at restorationcrosscheck.com/bootcamp. You'll leave with nothing but muscle! We will turn you into lean, mean restoration machines!